Sunday morning, Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. I got a message last night from a local guy, local truck photographer, Airhorn Joe. Hey, can I take some pictures of your truck? Anything for Joe. Come in. It's up to downpoured for the last 24 hours, so I just had to come in and dry the truck. Get Airhorn Joe, professional photographer over here, taking pictures of my truck. So what's your process, Joe?
What's that?
Taking pictures.
Yeah, well, it takes a couple days to post it once I edit it.
Yeah.
I want to make it look just right. You know what I mean? Gotta make them look nice.
You know what I always like about your pictures? Take 90 pictures of the same side of the truck. Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it.
With the clouds.
How long have you been taking pictures of trucks, Joe?
Close to 10 years, I want to say. But it's gotten better and better since I've done it.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Got into it a long time ago. I liked trucks a long time ago.
Yeah.
So, way before 10 years ago, it was like this when I liked that
Right.
stuff. I grew up around it, and I ain't never getting out of it.
Why do they call you Airhorn Joe? How'd you get that nickname?
Funny story, it's my CB handle.
Oh, really?
It is. One of my Framingham firefighter buddies years ago is now an assistant fire chief over there.
Yeah.
He was a captain. Well, he was a regular firefighter back in the day, and I grew up with him. He used to land the air horns when we non-emergencies. It was great. We get all sorts of trouble down at the station and stuff. It was funny. Chief would come down yelling at us.
Really? I mean, you are known for your air horn obsession.
Well, back in the day. Not anymore. I get over that.
Oh, you're over that now?
Too much noise. Noise
Coming from you, that's a lot.
Pollution.
Noise pollution.
I like the Jake brake.
You know, some guys used to drain the air out of their air tanks at truck shows because they know you were coming by.
I believe it. I just gave him the old Stone Cold Steve Austin one finger salute at them after. What?
That's
No,
awesome.
I like the Jake brakes better.
Yeah.
Jake brakes are better.
I like
Much
Jake
better
brakes
sound.
too.
Like Capello.
What's the best engine? Caterpillar, Detroit?
It's a toss-up. They're all nice. As long as they get the job done and the paycheck every week, that's all that matters. It stays on the road working.
Yep.
Oh, we got Waltham or Newton Fire Department again.
I don't know.
The old Federal Q2B on the bumpers.
Uh-huh.
Oh, here we go.
You get all your shots? You still taking some more? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Do your thing.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to disturb your art process here.
It's a really nice. I'm gonna get up right on the pinstriping too.
Okay.
That's really freaking nice.
This is an artist at work, folks. Pay attention how it's done.
Oh yeah. Now, if you're gonna go like this, you're gonna get it like.
You might be one of the most famous truck photographers in our area.
Who, me?
I would think so. Who's more famous than you?
Robbie. Kobe Yellow.
Robbie? Yeah, you and Robbie. Yeah, you guys share that title.
Smart kid.
Bob Conrad.
Yeah, gear jammer.
Gear jammer. Yep.
Very smart person.
Very smart. Yep.
Very good person too.
Absolutely.
You know about Bob Conrad, one of the smartest people in photography with trucks.
Wait. Say that again, so in case somebody hears this.
Bob Conrad is one of the smartest guys in truck photography that I ever knew.
Absolutely.
He is basically my idol with pictures of trucks because he knows a lot of stuff.
Yep.
And he's been doing this way longer than me.
Uh-huh.
He doesn't drive trucks, and that's okay.
Yeah.
I actually was thinking the similar thing. Not even bother driving one day for trucks and just shooting photos like he does.
Yeah.
Similar. Because driving isn't what it used to be. And I hate to say it, it's a really sad thing. It's really gotten different over the years. It's not like the brotherhood we used to know growing up when I was little. I grew up around the trucks. There's a guy in Framingham.
Yep.
Terrasconi, Robert Terrasconi, who got me into the trucks. He had old B models, and he had an LJ.
Yep.
And that's where he got me.
I see those guys once in a while.
When I was little. Yeah, I grew up next to him, and that's what he got me into. Then he bought all sorts of newer stuff over the years, and that's it.
Well, my camera's got 2%, so we're gonna say goodbye on the photo, on the video here. Thanks, Airhorn Joe.
Good seeing you, Mike.
You too, buddy.
That was good.
Thank you.
Hey, do you know
Right. So you want to know how my trip was to Super Rigs? It was an excellent trip. A couple funny things happened. getting on the airplane in Boston. It's just getting on a plane, and I hear a guy go, "Hey, Boston trucker." I'm like, "Hey, what's going on?" So I don't recognize the guy. He says, "My name's Alex. I just started watching your videos a couple weeks ago. I booked a trip to Super Rigs last night." I was like, "Are you kidding me?" So, made a new friend, Alex. Not a trucker, but he's got a Class A. He's a diesel mechanic. Right down the street from my gravel pit. So, what are the chances of that? So, flew into Denver at a 2-hour wait in Denver. So that was good. We got lunch. Alex joined me for lunch. And we flew into Gillette, Wyoming on a small plane. And we arrived. I got in my hotel room. And there was a bag on the bed and a cowboy hat. And I go, "Oh, I'm in somebody's room." And then it said Super Rigs on the side. And I go, "Wait, I think that's for me." There's a bag full of goodies, Super Rigs goodies, Shell Rotella goodies, and a brand new cowboy hat, which you can see me wearing in my Super Rigs video. But you know what? I don't think I look too bad in it, to be honest. I've never worn I wore a cowboy hat when I was a kid. Just a kid, though. But, so first day we had a big event for all the Shell people downtown Gillette at the Rail Yard restaurant. It was had a nice meal there, and Thursday was first day of Super Rigs. We started my judging gig. Had some quality trucks there, like tight trucks. Perfect. Some trucks are just perfect. It was really hard to judge these trucks. But how do you differentiate between one perfect truck and another? Well, funny you ask that. So when you're judging, see, I didn't know anything about judging before. There's like 5 or 6, I think it's 5 or 6 categories for each truck. And each truck you give a number, you rate 1 through 100. The cleanliness, detailing, the theme of the truck, workmanship, a whole bunch. And each judge puts their score on. And the way they find the winner out is, it's very simple. They add those numbers up in each category by the judges, and the highest number wins that category. First place, second place, third place. And that's how you get a trophy. It's pretty simple. But the judging was tight. The numbers were close on a lot of trucks. Like, you can go 1 through 100, and a lot of the top trucks were like single digits that close. So, but you know, we had first day of judging. We had judging. We had a parade downtown Gillette, which was awesome. Check out my video. Of course, it rained. It was thunderstorms in the distance, and as soon as the parade started, it rained. It made great. It looked awesome for us with the lights and stuff reflecting off the pavement, but trucks got dirty. The drivers were troopers. They came in, they cleaned them up again for the next day. Next day we had beautiful weather. Then we had a light show that night. Saturday was a washout. It rained all day. We only judged, I think, 3 or 4 trucks on Saturday. And an award show. I had to fly back home because I had a wedding to go to with my daughter's dance recital, so I missed the award show. I watched it live from the airport. But it was awesome. Super Rigs was amazing. Shell Rotella people, I can't say enough great things about them. I think this year's Shell Rotella calendar is going to be probably one of the best ever, just because of the quality of the trucks and the drivers. So make sure you get your Shell Rotella calendar. They usually come out towards the end of this year for next year. And that's it. Hopefully I'll get invited back next year. If not, it was a good run. 8 years with this crew. I feel like they're part of my trucking family, and we'll see. Hopefully they think I did a good job. I think I did a good job. I didn't let emotions rule my judging. You judge on what you see when the truck is presented to you. You can't think about what you saw walking the lot or talking to the drivers or who you know and who you don't know. You can't do that. You have to judge the truck by what you see. And it's hard when some of the trucks are just perfect, Then the numbers will lead the way. That's what happens. So, cool show. show, good time, back working, back trucking. Got a bunch of got 6 more local shows to go to up in New England. No truck shows anywhere else in the country. I am going down to Florida in August. Second week in Florida, not for a truck trip, for a family trip. But who knows? Who knows? I gotta go to Miami, and I gotta drive from Miami to Orlando. I'm gonna be in Orlando a couple days. So who knows what I'm gonna find between Miami and Orlando? Except I'm gonna have a car full of people who don't care about trucks. My wife, my daughter, my son's girlfriend. But I'll find something. I'll find something when I'm in Orlando. If I gotta sneak away early in the morning, you know, maybe that. I don't know. I got stuff in my head. So we had to back in off the main road over here, in through this gate. Car right in front of the gate. That never fails. Every time. You can count on something being in your way when you back in, but no big deal. I've done this before. Let's check the progress. Oh yeah, looking good. Nice. Wow, this is nice loom. And a couple more will be good. That'll put me at 100,000. Right there. Yeah, and this way. And one more right here, and that should be good. And we got another load there to come back for. Right there. Beautiful. There we go. Nice. That's good material. Yeah, that's beautiful. I'm gonna take this stuff home with me.
Yeah, beautiful. I thought the same thing.
Yeah, well, you got another load there, right?
Oh yeah.
All right, we'll be back. Watch the old man on the walker. He's gonna stop and he's gonna salute. What an awesome guy. Love that guy. Love that guy, man. Wow. We're gonna dump out a load of unscreened loom. You might call that topsoil where you're from. Trying to keep it out of the mud. Yeah. So I'm over here getting loom. And I know you guys seen in a few of my older videos, when you're on an excavation site, you dig up mostly old bottles from like 100 years ago. Well, this was just dug up a few minutes ago. It's a Massachusetts license plate. It goes back to 1915. That's pretty awesome, huh? It's in good condition. Just gonna be cleaned up a little. That is crazy. You think we could trace that back on the registry? Yeah, I doubt it. I doubt it. That is awesome. Just put my truck in the shop. Gotta get something fixed. Nothing major. And a piece of my hood latch fell off. So meanwhile, waiting for the mechanic to load some trucks. on today's episode of What Will Break. It's been a while since something broke. Part of my hood latch system broke. The mechanic took it to the shop to go get some rivets. I'll show you. See the part right there, that silver part I'm pointing to? It broke off of this side right here. So, gonna go get some rivets. We're gonna rivet it back on. Meanwhile, I'm doing some polishing, some detailing. While that gets done, trying to make good use of my time. Got truck show Sunday. It's gonna rain. It's gonna... Back of the tanks is easy. You gotta go in behind the steps with your hands on the polishing pad. The orbital buffer will hit about 90% of the tank. The rest you gotta do by hand. Or I do by hand. You do it any way you want. Here's the way I'm gonna do it today. When the operator puts a rock in, it's too big to go out the gate. There we go. I'm in Lawrence, Massachusetts. We're gonna haul millings. They're gonna scrape up the old hardtop, load it in our trailers, and we're gonna take it to an undisclosed location. Got me and Teddy here. Bunch of triaxles coming in. That's what we're doing today. Something different. All right, here comes the millings machine. Police are telling people they got to move their vehicles. It's construction. Hey, Jose. Most people on YouTube have probably never seen anybody do this before, so it's fascinating.
Oh, please.
Seriously. The younger people, they don't know about map books.
Okay.
So we came in this street right here.
Yeah,
and that's
110.
110. And we turn right. Is that? Truck 270 for screen sand.
That's all, thank you.
Neil, Mike Hill, Fitman.
All right, thank you.
Morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Thanks. Friday afternoon, round number 4. Sitting here trying to drive through this talcum powder here and keep your truck clean. It's not easy, you know. Gotta keep your speed down. You gotta adjust your air conditioning before you get to the gravel pit. I like to throw the engine fan on about 2 miles before I get here. Drop that temperature down to about 175, 180. Come in nice and light, no AC, idle through the sand, and hopefully get out of here before that engine fan kicks back in. Now, a lot of times I'll be putting the body up in the air. I'll be hovering about 200 degrees. My engine fan kicks in at 205. So it's tricky. It's tricky. But I don't stay looking like that by accident. There's, you know, the stuff up here that goes on. So we're getting loaded with gravel. We're gonna run another one back, come back out here. Actually, I haven't washed the truck in a week, but I'm gonna drop the trailer, wash the tractor, clean up the frame, because that's where the real mess is. And we'll take it to the truck show Sunday morning. Hopefully, be up at Berube Chrome Shop Sunday morning up in Bow, New Hampshire. Weather's supposed to rain that afternoon. Rain all day tomorrow. And rain for the entire next week. The only time it's supposed to be sunshine is Sunday morning, so hopefully I get up there before the rain hits. Park it clean, and I won't worry about it. Look at this mess, huh? Yeah. Time to go. All right. Just dropped my wagon. Gonna start the cleaning process for the truck show. See, it's dirty. I can't remember the last time I unhooked. It's probably been about 3 or 4 weeks. Fifth wheel needs grease. Gonna scrape off all the grease off the sides first. Gonna get it all cleaned up to drive it an hour and 15 minutes to a truck show for it to downpour all the way home. That's what we do. All right, we got our sweat on. I got it cleaned up. Fifth wheel about as clean as she's gonna be. Ready for the truck show. That's Sunday. Tomorrow's Saturday. I get tomorrow off. Now I don't have to think about the truck. Come in Sunday morning, we'll head up to New Hampshire. Hey, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, and you enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button right now. That way you get notified when I make my next video. Thank you very much. Like, share, comment down below. I try to get back to everybody. I'm not bad at it. I'm about 80%, maybe 90%. Whew. What a week. Hope you enjoyed this video. Boston Truck, you're out. Come on.